Hi everyone, and today we are gonna to discuss an important template about shift work calendar. If you want to do shifts and you want to point this shift for a calendar for a specific year, and you have two shifts from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and the other shift from 10 p.m. to 6 p.m. The first thing to select the year for this calendar, and here you can change the year. If you want to select, for example, 2027, just select year from here and the calendar will be updated accordingly. Okay? After that, from shift pattern here, you can select the shift pattern from here. So you have four options. The first option is day shift, and here is its code, and our shift from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay. Second option is night shift, and it's code N, and from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Third option is custom shift, and its code is C, and fourth option is days off, and it's code X. Okay. And you can also select pattern start date, and you can change start date from here. Just click in here, and here is you can select your month, and I want to select first day, so select this right here the day, right number 1, and here is the first day. You can change start date from here. Also, you can formulate shift pattern from here. The current pattern here are D, 4 days shift, XX 2 days off, N 4 days night shift, XX 2 days off, D 3 days shift, X days off, N 3 days night shift, XXX 3 days off, and so on. Also, if you check shift work calendar, you will find this pattern, and here D XX N XX N D and X N XXX, and so on. And here is your pattern you select. Also, you can change this pattern. You can, for example, make 7 days. What if I want to make 7 days and 7 days night shift? You can also make that by changing here D, and after that you can change here N. We want 7N. Here is 7N, and you can also repeat this pattern like that. So here's our new pattern. It consists of 7 days shift and 7 days night shift without any days off. So if you check the shift work calendar, you will find this pattern here. The month consists of 2 shifts, and the whole year consists of 2 shifts. The first shift is 7 days of D, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 7 days of night shift, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this pattern will be repeated over the year. Okay.